morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil drop 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
Stock influencer Keith Gill's first live stream in 3 years failed to spark enough investor enthusiasm in GameStop on Friday to reverse a nearly 40% slump in the shopping mall retailer's stock after it unveiled a share sale to raise up to $3 billion. Investors will closely watch this week's inflation numbers and Federal Reserve meeting for clues on whether the soft landing hopes that drove stocks to record highs are still justified. This year's rally has lifted the S&P 500 up more than 12% year-to-date, on expectations the Fed can cool inflation without hurting growth. The US dollar rebounded after data showed the world's largest economy created a lot more jobs than expected last month, suggesting that the Federal Reserve could take time in starting its easing cycle this year.
And now let's review today's major economic events.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 5 GMT. The Australian industrial production will be released at 7 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey current at 5 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey outlook at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.